sure thinking about getting another grill. I got my mold already ready from this grill that I got.
Grills, jewelry, drugs, home, bitches, pussy, yeah, whatever you fucking want, all that X pills, all that shit.
If you getting hoes selling dope on the fucking track, if you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack, no and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed, well, smoke a sack for me. If you getting hoes selling dope on the fucking track, if you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack, no and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed, well, smoke a sack for me.